welcome back to your beginner's guide for ranch roping. In the first video, we covered how to coil your rope. Today, we're gonna cover how to build a loop. There's a couple of different ways to do this, and I'm gonna show you all of them, so you just pick your favorite, whatever's easiest to you. It doesn't matter, they're all gonna build a loop correctly. So what we're gonna do, if you're right-handed, you're the same as me. If you're left-handed, you're a wrong-hander, do it the opposite, okay? Today's video is brought to you by Matthew 7:7 and 8. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. For everyone who asks receives. The one who seeks finds. And the one who knocks, the door will be opened. So, take your loop, hold it in your hand where your thumb is through your loop. Day one, week one stuff here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this loop and we're gonna roll it backwards, leaving our thumb in the loop, and then we're just gonna drag it up, okay? And then we're going to repeat this process, thumb in the loop, roll it backwards, drag it up. And what you're doing is you're unwinding a coil out of your coil hand into your loop. From there, okay, this is the loop, obviously, right? We're gonna need a spoke. All right, and the spoke is going to be the area of rope between your roping hand, your throwing hand, and your Honda. You want your spoke to be a quarter of your loop, on average. About 25% of your loop needs to be your spoke. So from here to here is my spoke. That is option number one on how to build a loop. Another way to build a loop is we're gonna have our coils all nice and neat here. I need to watch my coil video again. Okay, so from here, what we can do is I can stick my fingers right above my Honda and just slide that loop around. Okay, so again, I'm gonna stick the loop strand on my coil hand and I'm just gonna kind of drag it around. Any way that you can get one of these coils untwisted straight into your loop is going to work just fine. The last way, probably the most advanced way to build a loop, or one of the more advanced ways, is we're gonna throw our rope out there about 3 coils out. I'm gonna stick my palm on my rope and I'm gonna pitch my palm to the sky. Okay, and what's gonna happen is that Honda's gonna fly at me. I'm gonna catch the Honda. I'm gonna stick my pinky finger inside of my loop, like this, right above my Honda, right? And then I'm gonna grab my loop with my right hand, I'm gonna hold my pinky, and I'm gonna pull it like a bowstring. And now, we're ready to go. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.